Jesse, Amanda, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. Okay. Blacka.
Connie.
Connie.
Connie is such a badass. Look what, oh my god. Yeah, probably take shit that all by herself. Yeah, she ate that food all by herself.
Oh yeah, I'm really
And
fat.
she had some grilled chicken. And now we're waiting for the Mexican peso. Because that's what she's used to doing that. You know, people pushing the check to her.
Oh yeah, we know who we talking about. Diego.
Diego, go Diego, go! Go Diego, go! No, it's real! What's up, real?
Yo, now Diego got his Dora. This is so going on YouTube. Dora, oh God.
Don't go back and telling people now. Real, what is it? What's that?
Yo, the real nigga, the real deal. The real. Real. All right, we're bouncing now. Bye. Oh.